Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Aliudin Adil. And for today's vlog, pag-uusapan natin ang isang very important topic, lalo na ngayon na super advanced na ng technology. So ang pag-uusapan natin ay ang ethics in the use of science and technology. So, araw-araw ginagamit natin ang technology sa school, work, communication at kahit sa entertainment. Pero, habang mas nagiging powerful ang technology, mas kailangan din nating maging responsible and mindful users. Kaya, sa vlog na ito, I will share the 3 ethical practice na dapat nating tandaan when using technology. Let's start! So, unang-una sa lahat ay ang tinatawag na data privacy. Every time na nagla-login tayo sa apps, nag-fill out tayo ng forms or nagpo-post ng pictures. We leave digital footprints at kung hindi tayo careful, pwedeng makolek, ma-share o ma-misuse ang information natin. Ethical use of technology means hindi basta-basta nag-share ng personal information. Pag-respect sa privacy ng ibang tao, paghingi muna ng permission bago i-post ang picture nila. Paggamit ng strong password, proper privacy settings, importante ito kasi it protects us from scams, identity theft, and misuse of our data. Kung marunong tayo mag-ingat, mas safe ang digital space for everyone. Pangalawa, responsible use of artificial intelligence o kilala natin sa tinatawag na AI. Sobrang helpful ng AI tools like chatbots, editing apps, study tools. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na everything we do dapat nakadepende lang sa AI. Responsible AI use means hindi paggamit ng AI pang cheat sa school or work. Pag double check ng result kasi minsan may error din ito. Hindi paggawa ng fake or misleading content gamit ang AI. Paggamit ng AI as a guide or support, hindi replacement sa sarili nating skills. Kasi bawal yung ganun. Malaking may sisira nun sa sarili natin mismo. So, ang purpose ng technology is to help us grow, not to make us dishonest or lazy. Siyempre, nagiging tamad tayo kasi nandiyan na yung AI. And then, kaya dapat marunong tayo mag-manage ng paggamit ng AI. Pangatlo, digital etiquette at cybersecurity awareness. Digital etiquette means good manners online. Think before you post. Huwag makipag-away or mang-bully online. Be respectful sa comments and message. Huwag mag-spread ng fake news. Masama yun. And then, sa cyber security awareness naman, includes, huwag basta mag-click ng suspicious link. Avoid downloading files. I-report ang harmful or unsafe online behavior. Kung marunong tayo sa digital etiquette at cyber security awareness, mas safe at respectful ang online community natin. So, overall, ang ethical use of science ang technology ay umiikot sa 3 bagay, which is ang data privacy, responsible AI use, digital ethic, and cybersecurity awareness. Technology makes our life easier, pero ethics makes our action responsible. Kapag pinagsama natin ang dalawa, we build a safer, smarter, and more responsible digital world. So, that's all guys. Thank you for watching. So if you learned something today, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Aliudin Adel and see you in the next vlog. Thank you guys.